Welcome to RCM Level 2 Playback videos. This is example weekly test number 15. We are in the key of G major. We have a 4/4 time signature. This example is 2 measures in length. We have a G major triad, so go ahead and play that with me. I'll play the example 2 times. Remember to tap your foot along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Did we start on Do? Did we end on Do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Go ahead and play that back. Okay, for the answer, turn to page 48 of the Royal Conservatory of Music 4-star Sight Reading and Ear Test Book. Thank you.